Hello, welcome to Olivia Drawing It. Today we're going to draw a, if you said cookie, you are right. Today we're going to draw a cookie. Before we draw, we have one important step. Let's draw. The first step for drawing are easy and simple. Cookies are the main parts. You and another you. And let's do the chips. We're going to do a triangle down here. And we're going to do like the top of the triangle. And we're going to turn it like this. And curve it like that again. And connect with the turn. And we're just going to do a bump over there. And we're going to do the chips again. Like that. And let's do the rest, I guess. We're going to do 2 bumps on this one, see? And our last cookie, that, we're going to do some different designs with the circles. That's just a curve on the bottom. And a plain circle. And let's do a plate, and of course his best buddy, milk, a line like that, and another line on the bottom, I guess, like that, and a line, and point on the top, and a smaller set. And we're going to do some white stains, I guess. And let's do a straw. And that, and a down and a up again. I'm gonna do a little curve. And let's just do some lines on the straw. And let's draw a table. A table. And we're gonna do 2 lines on the bottom. And it's that curve, and a line, and another line, and can do a turn, and another one. We're doing some mix flat because we're gonna kind of tilt the table and stuff. We're done drawing. Let's color.
Okay.